Welcome back to another video here. Today we're going to be looking at the ORNARTO AirPods Pro 2nd generation case. So here's the box. I ordered mine from Amazon. So this on the right side here is what comes in the box. So we have the lanyard, then we have the lid of the AirPods case, the main case. Okay, and then this is a little tool I'll be demonstrating later. It helps you take the actual AirPods out of the AirPods case. So we'll take a look here. So the front, you can see this little translucent area. Now that's for the light on the AirPods case, and then on the back side, I don't know if you can see well, but there's a little area here where there's thinner material, and that's for the button on the back of the AirPods. And it's very flexible here, you can see, but still solid. It's kind of like a silicone, little bit of a rubbery texture case, but very smooth in the hands. Not, maybe a little slippery, but not really. Still very, very nice finish. And then you can see in the bottom the holes for the speakers. All right, so let's go ahead and put the AirPods into this case. So AirPods Pro 2 going in the case now. So as I'm pushing down, there's some resistance, which means it's a good snug fit, but not too tight. Okay, it's fully in. You can see the speaker holes are nicely aligned. And then the lanyard hole on the side looks good. Can still open without any interference on the back here. Let's put the lid on. Just gonna push it down. Good snug fit. So you can see on the back it's open. Some people might not like that. I personally prefer this. Other companies I saw, they had a hinge on the back here. It's probably its purpose is to keep the lid on, but personally I don't like that, just because, you know, when you lay it down on the surface, it's not going to be flat. There'll be always that little bump from the hinge. And then when you're charging, some of the reviews said, you know, because the case doesn't lie flat, you can't wirelessly charge it. I've tested it out. Maybe I'll make another video demonstrating that, but this does work with wireless charging. So I'm pretty satisfied overall. It does get a little hot when charging, but I mean, that's like any case, right? So let's test this out. Open up here. You can see fits very nicely. Okay, they've done a good job here. And you can see the light through that little translucent area that we talked about. Do it one more time. And the lid does not feel loose. Okay, it's very snug. You can see it lines up very well. There's not really any gap in between, or it's very minuscule. I'm not going to put the lanyard in, but it goes here. Obviously, lanyard is the same material as the case, kind of that silicone rubbery material with a little string here. Looks pretty good quality. Right. So yeah, I'll open up again. Close it. So let's try that tool here. So the tool is molded in the shape of the lightning connector. So you just pop it back here. Okay, grab it on the sides here, and then you're just gonna push and it slowly pops out. So you push all the way to the end, okay, and then you can grab onto the case and it easily comes out just like that, okay. All right, this comes out, and then even taking the lid off, you want to come from the back side, okay. It just slides off nice and easy. And the inside, there's no adhesive. Some companies will put an adhesive there, but this is pretty grippy itself. Yeah. So yeah, overall, pretty happy with this case. Highly recommend it.